Most people get this wrong. They assume building a mobile app requires coding skills, but the surprising truth about DraftBit is that it lets you visually design and launch apps without writing a single line of code. DraftBit is a no-code platform that targets designers, developers, and entrepreneurs who want to bring their app ideas to life quickly. The interface is intuitive. You drag and drop components, customize layouts, and connect data sources visually. You can preview your app in real time on a mobile device, which makes design iterations fast and efficient. One standout feature is its flexibility. Unlike some no-code builders that lock you into strict templates, DraftBit allows customizations with React Native code if you want to extend functionality. This hybrid approach is perfect for users who may start with no code, but eventually need more advanced features. The surprising truth is that while DraftBit is beginner-friendly, it does have a learning curve if you want to build complex apps. Understanding data integration, state management, and navigation can take time. However, for simple to moderately complex apps, it's one of the fastest ways to go from idea to prototype. In conclusion, DraftBit is ideal for anyone who wants to create mobile apps quickly without deep programming knowledge. It's flexible, intuitive, and supports growth from no-code to custom coding. If you're serious about app development but want to save time and resources, DraftBit is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of tech platforms and tools that help you bring your ideas to life efficiently.